guys, welcome back to 7 Days Biochem Flashcard series. Today's topic is going to be about Glycogen Storage Disease Type 2 and Type 3. Type 2 Glycogen Storage Disease is also known as POMPE disease and Type 3 is also known as CORI disease. So let's start with Glycogen Storage Disease Type 2 aka POMPE disease. Okay, so first most important thing is enzyme which is absent. What enzyme is absent which leads to Pompe's disease? So basically the enzyme absent is lysosomal acid alpha 1,4 glucosidase, which is also known as acid maltase, associated with alpha 1,6 glucosidase activity. It means that this enzyme is absent and it leads to the disturbance of activity of alpha 1,6 glucosidase. Okay, now we will talk about the findings which we see in Pompe's disease. So basically more important findings are cardiomyopathy, hypertonia, means the tonicity of the muscle will be lost, exercise intolerance, and enlarged tongue, okay, which is macroglossitis. Okay, now we will see that what are the major organs which are affected in this disease. So basically heart and liver are main organs which are affected. Now let's continue with type 3rd glycogen storage disease, which is CORI disease. Now CORI disease, the most important thing is the enzyme. Which enzyme deficiency caused this disease? So the enzyme is debranching enzyme, which is also known as alpha 1,6 glucosidase and 4 alpha D glucotransferase. Okay, so you have to remember the enzyme. It is very important and it's generally asked in the exams. Now we will focus on the findings which can be seen with CORI disease. So mostly it is similar to type 1, but it is milder. So type 1 we just discussed in previous videos that it is von Gerke disease. So the symptoms of von Gerke disease and CORI disease are going to be similar, but the type 3 or CORI disease will have milder effects. Okay, now the lactate levels will be normal in CORI disease. Okay, cardiomyopathy can also be seen and limit dextrin like structure is present in the cytosol. So accumulation of limit dextrin like structure can be seen in the cytosol in the patients which are affected with CORI disease. Okay, now one important thing here to be noted is that the gluconeogenesis process is intact in CORI disease. So that's all for today's guys. Next glycogen storage diseases, that is type 4 and 5, will be covered in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys find it helpful. Stay tuned for 7 days biochem flashcard series and don't forget to subscribe to WhatsApp Med for more such videos.